Students, let us continue the previous class. We should discuss seventh question, page number 103. Now, page number 103, seventh question. Obtain the monic cubic equation. Monic means mono means one. So the leading coefficient is one. The meaning of monic cubic equation means leading coefficient is one. Obtain the monic cubic equation whose roots are squares of the equation x cube plus p1 x square plus p2 x plus p3 equal to 0. In objective quadratic expressions, I said the formula that transformed equation formula, the equation whose roots are squares of is asking cubic, whose roots are squares. Okay, squares of roots of f of x is f of root x is equal to 0. If the roots are cubes, f of cube root x equal to 0, we discussed so many formulae in the objective quadratic expressions. That implies f of root x is equal to, now you can take here root x cube, so it can be written as x power 3 by 2 plus p1 into root x whole square x plus p2 into root x plus p3 is equal to 0. That implies x power 3 by 2 plus p2 root x, keep aside and taken the other terms in right side, so it becomes p1x minus p1x minus p3. Now we can take squaring on both sides. So according to a plus b whole square formula, a cube plus a square, here it becomes x power 3 by 2 whole square becomes x cube plus p2 x cube plus p2 into x plus 2 p2 into 2ab formula, x power 3 by 2 plus x power 1 by 2 becomes x square, because x power 3 plus 1 4 by 2 means x square is equal to, here according to formula a plus b whole square, here it is p1 x square plus p3 square plus 2 p1 p3 x. That implies x cube, the x square term taken this side, it becomes plus x square into, you can write 2p2 minus p1 plus x I am taking common, you can write p2 minus 2p1 p3. That's at last it is minus p3 square equal to 0. X cube plus x square into 2p2 minus p1 square. Students, here it is p1 square. Yeah. Plus x into p2 square. It is p2 square. I forgot to write here. This is also p to x power 3 by 2. It's okay. Okay. p2 square x square minus 2p1 p3 minus p3 square equal to 0. We got. We given another method, but this is easy method, students. You follow this method. Now, page number 104, solved problems are there. I said the formula regarding these all sums. Let us discuss the sums now. Page 104. Page 104. Solved problems. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation, find given equation. Given equation is x cube plus bx square plus qx plus r equal to 0. Find first one sigma alpha square, second one sigma 1 by alpha, third one sigma alpha cube, sigma alpha cube, fourth one sigma beta square gamma square, sigma beta square gamma square, fifth one alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha, alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha. Now let us going to discuss about the solution. Given cubic equation, we can write given cubic equation is x cube plus px square, x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. So sum of roots here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to s1, we can write minus p, and the sum of roots taken two at a time alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma is equal to s2, that is equal to q, and the product of roots alpha beta gamma that is equal to s3 is equal to minus r. It is not gamma, this is minus r. X cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to. Now first one, to find out, first one we should calculate sigma alpha square. Total 3 roots are there. Sigma alpha square means here alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. So according to a plus b plus c whole, a square plus b square plus c whole, a square plus b square plus c square equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. You can understand as s1 square minus 2s2, s1 square minus 2s2. So s1 square means p square minus 2q, that's all. Second one sigma 1 by alpha. So by reciprocal equation we can understand, otherwise taking LCM also we can do 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Taking this reciprocal equation, it becomes rx2 plus qx square plus px plus 1. Like that also, buffer sigma alpha you can calculate. Of course, by taking LCM we need, we can calculate here alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha by alpha beta gamma. You can understand here this is s2 by s3. s2 meaning q by minus r, so that is equal to minus q by r. Now third one sigma alpha cube. Sigma alpha cube, I said before also, alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. The formula alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus 3 alpha beta gamma. Maybe this is s1 s2 minus 3s. No, it is s. It is different. This is s1 into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. This is s1 square minus 2s2 and minus s2 becomes s1 square minus 3s2. s1 square minus 3s2 plus 3s3. That is equal to s1 cube. s1 cube minus 3s1 s2 plus 3s3. s1 cube minus 3s2 plus 3s3. That is equal to s1 cube, meaning here minus p cube, because minus p whole Okay. In minus 3s1 s2 minus 3 into minus 3 into q plus 3s3 means 3 into minus r. So it is minus pq plus 3pq minus 3r. If you start writing with plus symbol, you can write 3pq minus pq minus 3r minus pq. 3pq minus pq plus 3r. Given as s3 means minus r. 3s3 is absolutely right. S1 cube minus, this is a square plus b square plus c square minus a plus bc plus ca. This is okay. S1 square minus 3s2. S1 cube minus 3s2 plus 3s3. S3 means minus r. So minus 3r it is right. 3pq minus pq minus 3r. Given plus 3r. Sigma alpha q minus 3r. Okay, minus 3 into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus 3r formula plus 3r yes 3pq plus 3abc, but here alpha beta gamma is equal to minus r. Given print mistake, so let it be. Next, sigma beta square gamma square. Let us write sigma beta square gamma square. Fourth one. Fourth one, sigma beta square gamma square. Of course, it is nothing but sigma alpha square beta square. You can understand this one as alpha beta whole square plus beta gamma whole square plus gamma alpha whole square. Alpha beta whole square plus beta gamma whole square plus gamma alpha whole square. So you can understand this one as a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus of ab a square 2 into a plus b c plus c. So a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus C, alpha beta into beta gamma plus beta gamma into gamma alpha plus gamma alpha into alpha beta. For every pair, we can take common alpha beta gamma into within the brackets. It becomes alpha plus beta plus gamma. So you can understand here s2 square minus 2 into s3 into s2. No, it is s1. Here s2 square means q square minus 2 into s3. 2 into s3 means minus r into s1 means minus p. So that is equal to q square minus 2pr. Q square minus 2pr. It is sigma alpha beta q square minus 2pr. Next to last one, fifth one, alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha. Alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha. We can understand this one as alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b, we thought. That is why you can write here minus b minus gamma into minus b minus alpha into minus b minus beta. So in order I am writing minus b minus alpha into minus b minus beta into minus b minus gamma. Minus you can take common. You can write this one as b plus alpha. B plus alpha into b plus beta into b plus gamma. For a cubic equation, a shortcut is there. Of course, this is a quadratic equation. This is a cubic equation. In terms of p, you can understand here minus of the shortcut I am saying q minus of pq. Whenever minus are there, symbol will be alternate. Whenever plus is there, no alternation. First to p cube, next to p square into alpha plus beta plus gamma, next to p into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, next to simply p into alpha beta gamma, like the formula. Otherwise, you can multiply everything. P cube plus p square into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus p into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus there is no p, simply alpha beta gamma. This is the process. That is equal to minus of pq plus p square into, instead of alpha plus beta plus gamma, we can write minus p plus p into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha gives q, and this is minus r. This will be getting cancelled. You can write here r minus pq, r minus pq, because minus is there, minus of minus becomes plus, r minus pq is correct answer. Now second question, students, for the second question I said shortcut s1 s2 minus 3s3. Simply I am giving it into sigma alpha square beta plus sigma alpha beta square. Sigma alpha square beta plus sigma alpha beta square, I said the formula as the s1 s2 minus 3s3. Use the formula. This is useful in objective also. Next, you do the sum. Next I am going to discuss with you the third question, from monic cubic equation, alpha beta. Third question, page number 106. Page number 106, third question is there. Find the form if alpha beta gamma roots, then form the monic cubic equation. If alpha beta gamma are roots, if alpha beta gamma are the roots of, if alpha beta gamma are the roots of x cube plus px square plus qx plus r, x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0, then form the monic cubic equation whose roots are form the monic cubic equation, form the monic cubic equation whose roots are alpha into beta plus gamma, alpha into beta plus gamma, beta into gamma plus alpha, gamma into alpha plus beta, alpha into beta plus gamma, gamma into beta plus alpha, beta into gamma plus alpha. We should carry it, we should form the equation. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of equation, this one, form the monic cubic equation. Monic cubic equation means leading coefficient of x cube is 1. So let us discuss about the transformed equation which we are going to discuss in objective method. Now we need to discuss about this one. Given equation x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus p. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to q. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus r. Now whatever the value you are going to find, let it is as y. Now let alpha into beta plus gamma is equal to y. That implies alpha beta plus alpha gamma is equal to y. Next, add beta gamma both sides. That implies alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to y plus beta gamma. alpha, that implies alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is q, we know that. So q is equal to y plus beta gamma. Now multiply with alpha both sides, multiply by alpha both sides, that implies alpha cube is equal to alpha y plus alpha beta gamma. So taking alpha as a subject, we want to know that. That implies alpha cube is equal to alpha y plus the alpha beta gamma value is minus r. You write minus r. That implies minus r taken this side becomes r is equal to alpha into y minus q. That implies I am writing now r is alpha is equal to r by y minus q. Since alpha is a root of given cubic equation, you can substitute this alpha here. Since alpha is a root, since alpha is a root of given equation, we have, that means substitute this alpha here. That implies you can write r by y minus q whole cube, r by y minus q whole cube plus p into r by y minus q whole square plus q into r by y minus q, r by y minus q plus r is equal to 0. That implies taking y minus q whole cube as LCM, taking y minus q whole cube as LCM. So r cube here, r cube plus p into r into this is y minus, no, here r square, y minus q whole cube we have taken common, you can put y minus q here. Here it is r into y minus q whole square and plus r into y minus q whole cube equal to 0. Divide by r, so r taken both sides, r divided by r both sides. So there is no question of r, y minus q whole cube also taken this side. That implies you can write this is r square plus p into r into y minus q plus there is no r here, y minus q whole square expand like this, y square minus 2qy plus q square plus there is no r. Write the formula a minus b whole cube as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So y cube minus 3y square cube plus 3y q square minus b cube means minus q cube equal to 0. First of all, we can understand r/. Okay, next step I am writing r square plus pry minus pqr, r square minus pry minus pqr plus y square minus 2qy plus q square plus y cube minus 3y square cube plus 3y q square minus q cube equal to 0. We need cubic monocubic equation, so we should write first of all y cube term. That implies first of all y cube term I am writing, later y square term. Here y square is there and here 3 cube 3, no it is not, it is y square is there. Whenever you are taking the common y plus y square, you can put here y square. This is simply y square. Yeah. Here r into r square qr. Okay. Y square taken common, 1 minus 3 cube. Maybe it is wrong. 2q x square is there. 2q simple x square is there. r square plus pr, it's okay, p, where we got here y square, r into y minus q whole square, it is correct, r into y square, r into y cube, r by y minus q whole cube plus p into r by y minus q whole square plus q into r by y minus q plus r equal to 0, r cube plus p r square into y minus q only, exactly right, q into r into y minus q whole square, q, it is not q, I mean q into r into y minus q whole square plus r into y minus q cube, whenever divided by r, here it is only q, so pr square, it is correct, y square, here q should be there, q into y square minus 2b, correct, it is okay, r divided, now we should multiply here q y square, let us do it, r square plus pry minus pqr plus qy square plus qy square minus 2q square y plus qq plus y cube minus 3y square cube plus 3yq square, 3yq square minus q cube equal to 0. First of all, y cube we should write, next y square terms qy square minus 3y square cube. So y square q minus 3qy square becomes minus 2qy square minus 2qy square. Minus 2qy square. Next y square terms completed. Next y terms. Qy square terms completed. This is a y term. This is a y term. And this is y term. So whenever we are taking common, this is pry minus this is a 2q square y and 3q square y. 3 plus 3 minus 2 becomes 1. So y q square y taken common, q square minus this is pr. It's okay. Now later this is a pqr, the all terms, so q minus q cube got cancelled. Now y cube also completed. PQR plus R square. So plus R square minus PQR equal to 0. Now instead of y, here R taken common, we put PQ minus R, correct? X cube we had written. So required transformed equation we can write. So we thought it was as y. Now we can write instead of y, we can write x during like locus model. Required transformed equation. The required transformed equation is x cube, instead of y we should write x. X cube minus 2qx square plus x taken common, q square minus pr plus r taken common, it becomes r minus pq is equal to 0. This is objective method. Of course, you can use in IPE. Given different way, it is somewhat difficult than this one. Okay, we have completed successfully examples. Let us going to discuss about exercise 3A now. Dear students, exercise 3A, page number 107, Roman number 1. I want to give each and every question homework to you. 1 to 7, everything homework. Roman number 2, first, second homework. Now, I will discuss Roman number 2, third question onwards. Roman number 2, third question, and Roman number 3, 1 to 3, I say. Remaining everything is homework. Exercise 4A. Exercise 4a. Last work I am writing Roman number 2, 3. Roman number 3, 1, 2, 3. You can observe that whatever the sums I left, everything is homework. Now, Roman number 2, third question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube plus px square, x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Find first one, sigma 1 by alpha square beta square. Second one, beta square plus gamma square. Beta square plus gamma square by beta gamma. Gamma square plus alpha square by gamma alpha. Alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. Third one, alpha beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha into gamma plus alpha minus 3 beta into alpha plus beta minus 3 gamma. Fourth one, sigma alpha cube beta cube. Given equation, we can write x cube plus px square, x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. X cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Now we can write depends upon this cubic equation, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus p. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to q. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus r. S1, S2, S3 minus plus minus constant. Now, first one, let us discuss. First question, sigma 1 by alpha square beta square. We can understand here 1 by alpha square beta square plus 1 by beta square gamma square plus 1 by gamma square alpha square. Taking LCM denominator, it becomes alpha square beta square gamma square. Alpha square beta square gamma square. Denominator. Numerator, we can write alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Alpha square plus, because alpha beta whole square only will be gamma square, only will be alpha square, only will be beta square. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, we can understand alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So you can understand this one here, s1 square minus 2s2 by s3 square. Here s1 we have written p square minus 2s2, this is minus 2q, this is r square. P square minus 2q by r square. That is first one. Now second one. Second one is beta square plus gamma square by beta square plus gamma square by beta gamma plus gamma square plus alpha square by gamma alpha plus alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. Take an LCM for all as alpha beta gamma. Now x of beta gamma you can write here alpha. So you can understand alpha beta square plus alpha gamma square. Here x of gamma alpha you take only beta. So you can understand here beta gamma square plus beta alpha square. Beta gamma square plus beta alpha square. Plus here x of alpha beta into gamma. So you can understand alpha square gamma. Alpha square gamma plus alpha beta square gamma. Alpha square gamma plus beta square gamma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. I said the formula from starting only, that is sigma alpha square beta plus sigma alpha beta square. Sigma alpha beta, sigma alpha square beta plus sigma alpha beta square by alpha beta gamma. This formula I said that S1 S2 minus 3S3 by here S3. So what is S1 S2 here? S1 means minus 3 into S2 means Q minus 3 into this is minus R by this is minus R. So PQ by you can write here minus PQ plus 3R minus PQ plus 3R by this is minus R. Here you can understand PQ by R minus 3. This is objective question. PQ by R minus 3. Now let us write third question. Third question, beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha. Beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha into gamma plus alpha minus 3 beta into alpha plus beta minus 3 gamma minus 3 gamma. We know that here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus p. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus p minus gamma. Beta plus gamma is equal to minus p minus alpha. Gamma plus alpha is equal to minus p minus beta. That is equal to, you can write here minus p minus alpha minus 3 alpha, you can understand minus 4 alpha, and this one minus p minus 4 beta, and this one minus p minus 4 gamma. You take minus full common and you can understand here p plus 4 alpha. P plus 4 alpha into P plus 4 beta into P plus 4 gamma. I said the equation, cubic equation formula, students. P cube plus P square into here, you can understand 4 alpha plus 4 beta plus like this. So 4 multiples are there. So whenever 4 multiples are there, you can understand 4 you take common, you can write alpha plus beta plus gamma, and P into next 4 into 4 2 times will be 4 alpha into 4 beta into 4 gamma, like that you will be getting 60 as a gamma, into you can write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and at last it is 64 because 4 alpha into 4 beta into 4 gamma 4 cube, you will be getting 64 alpha beta gamma, that is equal to 64 into alpha beta, that is equal to now minus of p cube, this is minus of p cube plus 4p square plus 4p square into, instead of alpha plus beta plus gamma you write minus p plus 16p into, this is q plus 64 into alpha beta gamma value minus r, alpha beta gamma value minus r. Now substitute the value here. That is equal to minus of p cube plus minus of p cube minus 4p cube minus 4pq plus 16pq plus 16pq minus 64r. pq minus 4pq becomes minus 3pq minus half minus becomes plus 3pq minus 16pq plus 64r. This is the value. At last, fourth question, you should calculate sigma alpha cube beta cube. So I am writing like this: alpha beta whole cube plus beta gamma whole cube plus gamma alpha whole cube. You can understand this one as a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca plus 3abc. So a plus b plus c formula alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into a square plus b square plus c square. Alpha beta whole square, alpha beta whole square plus beta gamma whole square plus gamma alpha whole square. What I said, a square plus b square plus c square minus 2 ab means here minus 2 alpha beta into beta gamma minus 2ab 2bc 2c minus 2 into here plus you can write beta gamma into gamma alpha, beta gamma into gamma alpha plus gamma alpha into alpha beta. Formula students, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus not 2 minus ab minus bc minus ca plus 3abc plus 3abc means 3 into alpha beta into beta gamma into gamma alpha, that is equal to, you can understand my now alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is yes2. Here a square plus b square plus c square model, you can understand for this one also. Alpha beta plus beta gamma, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square minus 2 of a square plus b square plus c square concept minus 2 into ab into bc like this. So minus 2 into alpha beta into beta gamma plus beta gamma into gamma alpha plus gamma alpha into alpha beta. Here okay. Now this is also like this. Alpha beta into beta gamma minus taken gamma, it becomes plus beta gamma into gamma alpha plus gamma alpha into alpha beta and plus this is 3 into alpha beta gamma whole square, 3 into this is alpha beta gamma total whole square. Now alpha beta, this one you can understand a by taking alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha like this for everything. Here alpha beta square gamma, for everything you can understand alpha beta gamma common is there. Here alpha beta gamma common is there. Here alpha beta gamma common is there. Here alpha beta gamma common is there. Like that. Now you can understand S2 into students, this is S2 square minus this is to completely try to understand. This is an x, this is an x, 2x minus 3x becomes 3x. So 3 into, I am taking common alpha beta gamma, within the brackets it becomes alpha plus beta plus gamma, okay, close it, plus 3 into this is s3 square, s3 square. Now you can understand here according to our concept here, s2 into s2 square minus 3s1 s3 minus 3s2 into s2 square minus 3s1 s3 plus 3s3 square. Sir, why you are writing like that? You can ask, you can get that out. So everything, if the whole sum given in M set, in theory of equations students, since 10 years I am observing that in theory of equations, in MCET, in APR Telangana, he is asking so much lengthy question like these questions. So whenever you are able to understand like a formula, if you remember the formula, you can write the answer directly. Then now S2 cube minus 3 S1 S2 S3 minus 3 S1 S2 S3 plus 3 S3 square, that is equal to S2 means cube minus 3 into this is minus b. Yeah, this is cube, this is minus r plus 3r cube. No, 3r square it is. 3r square. So that is equal to cube. It is cube. 3 minus becomes minus only. Cube minus 3pqr plus 3r square. This is the solution. Now, Roman number 2 completed. Roman number 3. Roman number 3, third question. Roman number 3, third question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of equation, if alpha, beta, gamma are roots of equation x cube minus 3ax plus b, x cube minus 3ax plus b equal to 0, plus b equal to 0, prove that sigma into alpha minus beta into alpha minus gamma is equal to 9a. This is a 9a. Now, given equation is x cube minus, you can observe here 0 into x square minus 3ax plus b is equal to 0. So, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to 3a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus b. Minus plus, so plus because it is minus 3a and it is minus b. Now we should calculate now sigma alpha minus beta into sigma alpha minus gamma. Multiply now, it becomes sigma alpha square minus alpha gamma minus alpha beta. Taken alpha as gamma, it becomes beta plus gamma plus beta gamma. Now you can understand that is equal to sigma into alpha square minus, students, you can understand now this is alpha into beta plus gamma. You can understand here beta plus gamma is equal to 0 minus alpha. So 0 minus alpha becomes minus alpha here plus beta gamma. So now that is equal to sigma into alpha square plus alpha square we got plus sigma beta gamma. You can understand now 2 sigma alpha square. We got 2 sigma alpha square. 2 sigma alpha square plus sigma alpha beta. 2 sigma alpha beta whole square. We can understand here that is equal to 2 into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus plus of here alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Here we can understand 2 into a square plus b square plus c square formula, a plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab. So alpha plus minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha like this. plus this became alpha beta, so S2 and this is S2. Now 2 into alpha plus beta plus gamma, of course it is 0, minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, it is minus 3a, plus S2 means here again it is minus 3a. Minus of minus becomes plus, 2 to are 4, 4 to are 12a minus 3a, that is equal to 9a. This is 9a. This is our choice. Okay students, Roman number 3, first, second sums are will be completed tomorrow. Okay, let us discuss it next class and next topic in next class.